also celebrating a year of sobriety, and that is something that she continues to move forward and not look back. So today, she rises and I rise with her. Okay? Drop your rose, drop your rose. I
Hold,
know that's
hold
right.
this. Hold this. I gotta record it. Huh? It's recording.
All right.
Hold it. I
Next
gotta listen.
person that rises to the left, Miss P. Why did you rise on today? Okay. And how have you been blessed? Yes. Yes. And are you powerful, Miss? Yes. Yes. I know that's right. The love, the energy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. And hold that flower next to you. So she gonna hold hers up, honey. She gonna this confidence in it. So continue to rise and be great and have good spirits, Miss Kitty.
All right.
Miss Kitty, who's the next person rising on today? Oh, is it Miss Renee? Speak up. Why you rose on today? Don't you got a doctor? You're the mother of a doctor. So why did you rise on today? Oh, yes, yes, and I'm going to continue to do what?
Keep on keeping on.
That's right. Mother, keeping on. Yes.
Where'd you go with?
Oh, Kitty, you gotta go to. Yeah, go beside. Yeah, mission. Yeah. Next person rising. Who are you? I can't hear you. Next person rising. Okay. So why did you rise on